Hello people, I hope you all doing good. Welcome to Dipesh Patni Education Academy YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss and learn about how to identify a market structure in a very proper way. So what exactly the market structure? Market structure is a structure of the market where you are going to identify a valid break of structure and the change of character. So what is break of structure? Break of structure is defined as a when the structure is broken. If the structure is broken in upward direction, then we can say is that the market is in uptrend. If the break of structure happens in the downtrend, then we can say that the market is in the downtrend. And again, what is a change of character? Change of character is a change of the character in the market structure. Okay, so what exactly this says is that the market is going to reverse. So let's keep it simple. I am going to show you in a very simple way. See, this is the market structure. Okay, so whenever you get a break of structure here, so this is the break of structure, right? So here, see here, though this price is breaking a previous swing high, right? And again this price is breaking a previous swing high, so we can consider this as a break of structure. So what exactly the break of structure is saying is that once we get a break of structure in the upward direction, then we can say is that the market is in uptrend. Okay, the market is in the uptrend. So in the similar way, if the market is in the downtrend, okay, like this, so here we get a break of structure, again we get a breakout structure, right? So what exactly happening here, the price is breaking a previous swing low, right? The price is breaking a previous swing low. Okay, so I know if you guys are confusing till now, then I will be showing you on the chat, so don't worry. See here, the price is breaking this price, right? This particular price is breaking a previous swing low, and hence we can say that the market is in the downward direction. So this is how you need to analyze the market structure in the right proper way, right? And what is change of character? I already said that the change of character is in the character change of the market structure. So when we are going to analyze the market structure with the change of character is that when we are accepting a reversal. For an example, see here, the market is in uptrend. Okay, so when the previous low of the break of structure, I'm once again repeating, when the previous low of the break of structure is broken, then we can accept a downtrend with the help of change of character. See, this is a change of character. Why? Because this is a change of character. We have a break of structure over here, right? So we have a break of structure over here, and the swing and the swing low of that break of structure is broken, and hence we can consider this as a change of character, and again we can accept a break of structure downside and saying that the market is in the downtrend. Okay, here the market was uptrend, and because of the change of character we got a, you know, the shift in the market direction. So this is a very simple way to understand what is a break of structure and the change of character. Okay, so now let's understand on the charts. Okay, so this is a forex pair USD JPY. It's a US dollar against hen in the sense Japanese money. See here, what happens? See, this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure, right? Why this is a break of structure? Because see here, the price is broken and closed above the previous swing high, right? Hope you got it right. See here, the price is crossed the previous swing high and it closed above, and hence we got a strong confirmation that this is a break of, this is a break of structure. BOS matlab break of structure. Okay, and again what happened here, see here, this is the again break of structure, right? So can we consider this as a break of structure? So this is not a break of structure actually. You know why? I will tell you the reason. So if you want to know the exact reason why this is not a break of structure, see, many retailers are making loss in the market because see here what they will do, they consider this as a break of structure. Okay, but this is not the real break of structure. What happens, the market took the liquidity below, the market took the liquidity below or the sweep below, and as a retail concept, what the people are doing, they have to sell from this zone, right? But what happened in actual, the market took the SL of those resellers who entered based on the break of structure over here. But this is not a break of structure. As a Dipesh Patni Education Academy student, you need to learn the proper break of structure, right? So this is just a liquidity grab. Okay, why this is a liquidity grab? Again, I'm telling you that in the Dipesh Patni Education Academy course, especially in the smart money concept, I am going to explain you how to identify the proper break of structure. Okay, so if you are a premium smart money concept of Dipesh Patni Education Academy, then definitely you would have know that why this is a liquidity and why this is not a break of structure. See here, this is just a liquidity grab, and our real swing low is here. If the price is broken below here, then we can consider this as a change of character, but this is not a change of character. Okay, and what happened here? The price came into the discount zone over here, and we have a strong zone over here. And see here, what a beautiful ride. So we have a FVG over here, and we are going to enter a trade from here. So guys, what is FVG? What is liquidity? What is inducement? These are all the concepts you guys are going to learn in Smart Money concept of Dipesh Patni Education Academy course. Okay. So here, especially I am a smart money concept analyst. Okay. I am trading in the market since more than 4 years with the help of smart money concept. And here I know that how to view the market in a very right way. Okay, see, no one is 100% in the market, but though the experience which I learned from the market is all about the way I view the market, right? So again, we got a break of structure here over here, and again we can consider this as a break of structure, and our protected low is here. This is the our protected low. If this low is broken, then we can consider as a change of character. Okay, see, this is how you need to analyze the market structure, guys. See, the market structure is very important when it comes for a technical analysis, that too in the swing and day trading. Okay, and not only in the swing, if you consider as a positional or whatever for the long term also, you need to learn some basic things of the technical analysis, right? You just randomly can't depend on a fundamental only. So technical plays a very very crucial role. For an example, see, the Tata Motors, the fundamental is very good, right? But still the stock price is falling. Why? Though the fundamental is good, but you are going to buy that particular stock while the price is falling? No, right? So you will wait for the proper price settlement in the discounted zone. So where you need to apply a proper technical analysis skill, based on that you are going to buy, right? So this is how you need to identify. So now let's understand how we can work the market structure in the downtrend. See here, see here, we have a break of structure over here on the downtrend, right? This is a break of structure in the downtrend. So what happened here? Once we got a break of structure, we got a supply zone over here. I see, what a perfect, right? See, as soon as the price tapped into the supply zone, the price got reversed, right? So, and also in the smart money concept, which we are going to teach you, where we are going to discuss about the strategy in the advanced smart money concept, where you will be learning how to enter a trade like a pro. Okay, with the help of supply and demand concept. Okay, see, this is a supply zone where exactly the price reverse from this particular zone, right? See, this is how you need to identify the zones. And again, we got a break of structure. Why this is a break of structure? Here, see, the price broke the previous swing low, right? And also the candle should close below the the previous swing low, and the candle is perfectly closed, and hence we can consider this as a break of structure. So we got a break of structure in the downside. So what we are assuming, what we are predicting is that the market is in the downtrend, right? And hence the market is going in the downtrend. See, right? See, the market is going in the downtrend. So this is how you need to analyze the market structure, guys. So I think this is enough for the market structure. So if you want to know deep about the change of character and how to identify the valid break of structure, that is the main thing, guys. See, everyone can teach you what is break of structure or change of character easily. but how to identify the valid break of structure or change of character. For that you need to use the brain, right? So what I'm saying is that the Dipesh Patni Education Academy course, we are going to help you to identify those market structure in a very proper way. So without wasting much time on the random videos on YouTube or on other website, so please enroll with us and try to learn a valid education with us. So guys, see you bye until the next video.